Mariam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, on Thursday hosted a one-day online international workshop on research and innovation strategy for excellence. The event attracted over 26,000 registered participants from 125 countries, bringing together distinguished scholars and professionals across the globe to share insights on promoting research and innovation. It will be recalled that this is the fifth time the university has hosted similar international events centered on research, education, and leadership. In his opening remark, the president of MAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Isra, welcomed all participants and emphasized the university's commitment to advancing research and innovation through global collaboration. He highlighted the importance of defining clear research strategies that can strengthen academic excellence and contribute to solving real-world challenges. The workshop featured 3 key papers presented by 3 female international scholars of high repute. The first speaker, Dr. Sabina Burukanika, who is the assistant professor at the University of Warsaw, Poland, spoke on research, innovation, and human resources in the social sciences. She emphasized the need to integrate innovative approaches into social science research to address evolving societal need and enhance institutional development. Dr. Gunjit Kaur, Associate Dean, School of Agricultural Sciences, Career Points University, India, discussed the role of universities in driving global research initiatives and fostering collaboration. She noted that research and innovation drive academic quality, economic growth, and global visibility. The third presentation was made by Dr. Mutmainna from Universitas Al-Azhar Mandar, Indonesia, who spoke on artificial intelligence and the evolving landscape of education. She highlighted how AI can be effectively integrated into university curricula to help students adapt to technological advancements and improve their research capabilities. In his closing remark, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, expressed profound appreciation to all participants, both physical and online, for their engagement and meaningful contributions. He commended the speakers for their insightful presentations and extended gratitude to the founder, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, the president and management of MAUN, as well as the International Office for their leadership and support in ensuring the success of the workshop. He also appreciated the dedication of the technical and media teams, whose professionalism contributed greatly to the smooth coordination of the events.